the DA has never changed from what it is originally, the political party of the past. And therefore, it is important to understand it in the context, theoretically and politically. What does it represent? Maimane is just a pawn representing a white monopoly capital. And therefore, it is important to understand what Helen Zille tweets in context, what they represented. And therefore, this is nothing else but a publicity stunt. It doesn't mean ideologically a shift from the party, but it means, among others, appreciating the fact that PA has reached a ceiling in terms of the white voters and the vote electorate. But it is appreciating the fact that it is now making inroads in the black electorate, and therefore it does everything else to bend backward in order to appreciate and to woo the black vote. It has got nothing to do with it, but everything to do with, among others, is that the PA, it has reached a ceiling in terms of the white electoral vote, and therefore it tries everything else, including the black face, like Maimane, to make sure that it wins, to dislodge the ANC. This is part of the agenda to dislodge the African National Congress. It's nothing else. It's not about the DA. It's about dislodging the African National Congress.
Well, as the ANC, we were quite clear on this. The moment she uttered that and did not even want to apologize that and accepted that she was wrong, she continued with that and tried to justify colonialism and what he did, and that it was good for South Africa and its people. So irrespective of what the DA did now is, we as the ANC has been saying all along, Helen Zille must be removed from the Western Cape Provincial Legislature, both as member and as a premier. Now I see Mmusi Maimane put an ultimatum to her to apologize to the DA and, very important, to the people of South Africa. And she declined. They suspended her from the DA, and the next logical step must be